Alright, so I'm trying to fix this computer for a customer, and yeah, this is what it's doing. Never in my 24 years. Really? Really, Sony Vaio? Look at all the jizz stains on the screen. Nasty. I know what you're thinking. No, this is not my laptop. Proof? This is my laptop. Nice and sexy. Sleek. Clean. Perfect. So yeah, this is what's happening. It's just being stupid. Whole operating system problem is a piece of freaking cake for me, but this... And no, it is not what you kids call dubstep. That's... no. So yeah. Weird. Actually, it kind of sounds like Mariah Carey a little bit. Yeah.